Hi, welcome to the Tech CR. Today I'm going to start a new series of videos uh, about Java Virtual Machine (JVM), right? So most of the developers, even those who we start develop and we are mastering Java, so we are not aware of that how JVM works, how JVM utilize memory and etc. Right? So having an idea about how JVM works, how JVM utilize the memory, so it will help us to write code in optimized way, right? So that's why I supposed to start a series of videos and share my knowledge with you guys about JVM. So as of the start, I will demonstrate, I will show some things with stream pool, right? So as a developers, I mean that everyone, even though we start our career from the string, right? So just printing hello world. So as that, I will start my JVM journey with string pool, right? So in basically, right, even though we in the practice we consider string as a primitive type in a JVM, so it's considered as the object, right? So the demonstrate the main difference between the object we define and the string is. So I create a sample code here, right? So I just create a sample or use object. It has just simple name and it has a equal message. So name, if the name is equal, so it will return true, right? So just compare the name. So I created two instance from the user and give the same name. So theoretically these should be equal, right? So I am printing it, and also I am checking references here. Okay, let me to run my class. Okay, as expected, so user1 dot equals to user2, this statement get true, and checking the reference user1 equal to user2 is getting false, right? Okay, that's the expected behavior. Let's try with a string. It is space. Okay, we are checking same conditions here. Equal 1 dot equals to and 1 equals. So what could be the expected result, right? This we know that definitely this one be true, right? Because 1 dot equals and same here. But what about line 10 and 16, right? Let's check. Yeah, so when come to the string, so both lines, both the equal reference and the values is same, true, right? Return true, it means equal, but not as the user behaviors, right? Instance behavior. So being different, as I said earlier, so the, the so even though we created in here user, we created two instances and it assigned two references. But here what happens is, even though we create two instances, so what happens is inside, so JVM identify that string is already exist and this 2 is referring to the same location, right, inside. So that's why this line 16, even though its reference is equal, right? This is the main difference between consider the object we define and the string. In future videos, I will show how this works, how this JVM handle this, and etc. Right? So I make these small videos so that you can focus on these, right? So let's see with the next video. So you can have great idea about how string works, how string pool works, how JVM works, right? Okay, thank you. See you again.